Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, what are we going to be drawing today, guys?
A chicken!
A chicken, yeah, we're excited about that. And so we're going to be coloring today too. We're not only going to be drawing, but we're going to be coloring it. So it's going to be a great time. So hopefully you hang around and you watch us as we do that, because I'm sure we're going to have lots of fun drawing that. So it's going to be, it's going to be chicken day, right?
Yeah!
And what is it? Yeah, what kind of day?
Chicken day!
Chicken day, yeah. So we look forward to seeing you. So hang around and we'll see you as we start drawing. Okay, well, we're back here and we're drawing today a chicken. So you guys excited about drawing a chicken?
Yeah!
Okay, so we're gonna go with steps again. We're gonna go with, take the top off your pens. Keep your papers up fairly high there. Okay, so the first thing, step one, is we're gonna draw the shape of the head of the chicken. So you're gonna start about here and you're gonna go around like that, almost like a circle.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Okay, yeah. Just around like that. Not too high, because we have to still put stuff on top of his head. Okay, then we're gonna make the number two is gonna be the beak. So you go like that, and then you go like that. Okay, you go like that, and then back down like that. Yeah. And then you're gonna go to here, to this spot right here, and you're gonna come around like that. Okay? And then we gotta separate the beak. So you go all the way around like that. Put a little bit of a smile on him. Hold your hand down so your paper doesn't move. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I did.
And put a little dot right here, because that's where he breathes in.
Yeah.
And then also in step two, we're gonna do the eye. So you make like an oval, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, nice and big, yeah. Don't have to press too hard, and then just and an eyelid like that. And then you go underneath, like the eye like that.
Yeah.
Remember how we fill in the eye? We just fill it in, but we don't fill it all in. We leave a little bit of a white dot, a little white spot, so it's a reflection, not the whole thing. Yeah. There we go. So that's, number one is the head. Step two is the beak and the eye. Number three is what they call is the wattle. So we're gonna go down here.
Yeah, it's like under its chin.
Under the, yeah.
Yeah.
So you put one like that there. So just like that.
It's like a big raindrop.
Yeah, exactly. And then we're gonna make another one over so it looks like it's on the other side, and it's only gonna go part ways, like that.
I do things like this at school.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah,
So, okay, so step one is the head, step two is the beak and the eye. Step three, what is this thing called?
The waddle. The waddle.
A waddle, kind of like a wiggle, but a waddle, right?
Yeah.
So you can remember that. When he talks and he runs
waddles
around, it
around.
probably waddles around.
Yeah,
right?
probably goes. It probably hit his neck a lot.
Yeah.
And it goes up and it's attached to his neck.
Okay, and at the top now, we're gonna draw, it's called the comb. So you're gonna go right above the eye, and you're gonna go up and around, about 4 of those.
Yeah. It's like a mohawk.
So Clay's paper, you're up pretty high to the paper, so just go up and down. Yeah, you
It's a
got it.
mohawk for the chicken. It's a mohawk.
Yeah, kind of like a mohawk. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that's number 4 is the comb. So that thing's called the comb, right?
Yeah. It sounds like a comb that you use for your hair.
Yeah, it looks like a comb, yeah. So now we're gonna make the body. So we're gonna make the body. So we're gonna kind of go down here and we're gonna go around like this. Okay. Yeah. And then we're gonna bring the neck down like this, and then we're gonna go over here. So these two are gonna be kind of close. That's a skinny neck on that chicken.
Yeah.
That's
I wanted to make it skinny so it
Skinny.
can move like that.
Okay, we're gonna put tail feathers. We're gonna put tail feathers on, so you just go like that there.
Yep.
Okay?
It looks like the back end really ripped off.
Okay. So what's step 1 is the what?
It's the head.
Step 2,
Beak.
and what else?
Waddle.
And the eye. No. Step 3 is the waddle. Step 4
It's the comb.
is the comb, and step 5 is the body. So that's what we just did. So now we're gonna do the wing, because he has to. Chickens don't really fly that great.
Yeah. I'm not that good at flying.
But we're gonna do kind
Like
of something like
balloons,
that.
about like 10 meters.
And then you can make little, so it looks like feathers on his belly. like this. Okay. So the wing is step 6, and then we're gonna make we're just gonna go like this for a straw. So it looks like there's straw underneath that he's sitting on straw. You're just gonna scribble.
Yeah, scribble.
Okay.
Gibberish.
Yeah, so now we're gonna color. We're gonna color now. So let's grab some red. Everybody got their red?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
And we're gonna color, let's color the comb, or the comb at the top, right?
No, this one's not that good.
Here, you wanna use this one?
Sure.
Okay. Here, I'll just fill that in. Here you go. You can use that one. I'll use this one. We'll swap and share. This one here might be better. Okay. And then once you fill in that top part, doesn't have to be perfect.
Doesn't have to be picture perfect.
No. What are we coloring? What's that part called?
Comb.
The comb, yeah.
The mohawk.
You getting that? Always keep your other hand on the paper, that way it doesn't move, right?
Yeah. That's what I learned in kindergarten.
Okay, now we're gonna go down here and we're gonna color, what is this down here that we're coloring?
Waddles. Waddles.
A waddle.
They should be called waddles.
So color that up the waddle. Okay. Hurry now.
I'm hurrying.
Okay, and now we're gonna color
The beak.
the beak. Okay,
Switch up to orange.
yep, I'm gonna use yellow.
I'm using orange.
Clay's using orange. Okay, show that down there. Yeah, here we go. So fill it in as best you can. And anybody that's at home that's doing this, they can just use regular crayons too, right? Doesn't have to be markers.
This orange sucks.
I had to use crowns when I was in kindergarten.
Here's another one. You can try that one. See if that one works better.
Yeah, probably will.
Sometimes markers go dry, right?
Usually with the tip of the fat marker, if you use the tip, it goes skinnier, and if you use the fat part in the middle, it gets kind of bigger.
Here's a good yellow for you, Clay, to use because we got to do the straw next.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna go and we're gonna do the straw
Yellow.
over here.
I don't have any yellow.
Here, use that. That'll be good.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Okay, and so you're just gonna fill that in kind of
Scribble.
rough and wild because we don't want to take a lot of time. We've got lots of people watching, so we want them just to be able to see what it is that we're doing.
We want this thing to go viral.
There we go.
Yeah, woo woo.
So what's the last thing we do when we finish a picture?
We write your name.
We write our name. All right, I'm gonna put mine up here.
I wish I could write chicken. I need to write chicken Clay.
There we go. Sometimes you can also add some extra color to it. Let's do it fairly fast because we're gonna add some extra color.
Why not an egg?
What color though?
Why not we
Any,
add
any color.
I wanna. Okay. I wanna add an egg.
Okay. You want to add an egg? Where are you gonna put it? This is a rooster. I'm not
Put
sure
it
if
in
he's
the
an egg
straw.
guy.
Put it in the straw.
Yeah, and that just makes the picture kind of come alive a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like it's coming out of the air.
I need some more yellow.
Detail.
No, too soon.
Okay. Are you just about ready? Just about done here. I think we got it.
Boom! Yeah.
So is everybody happy with what they got? Let's do a thumbs up down here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Was that fun drawing the chicken?
Yeah!
Yeah. All right. Hey, I hope you enjoyed drawing the chicken with us. Was that a lot of fun, guys?
Yeah!
So Max, what was your favorite part of drawing the chicken?
Drawing the beak.
The beak, yeah. And how about you, Clay?
Drawing the comb.
The comb. Where's the comb? What's the comb on the chicken?
It's like the hair.
On the hair, yeah. So we had lots of fun and we enjoyed coloring. Was it fun coloring it too?
Yeah!
Yeah, that made it come alive too. So we hope you enjoyed it. We hope you come back and watch all of the videos that Grandpa and the grandsons are doing. Max and Clay, we're having a blast doing it. We enjoy having you supporting us. So Clay, what do you got to say?
Like our channel.
Max?
Subscribe and tell your friends.
So goodbye from us.
Goodbye.
See ya.
See you later.